In this video, I'll show you how to rename the View All button, which is visible in sections such as Feature Collection, Collection List, and Blog Post. And for this example, I'm using Dawn theme. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, and then select Online Store. Now look for your active theme, in my case is Dawn. Click on three dots, and then select Edit Default Theme Content. Right on this page, top right corner, click on Search and Filter, and then in search type View All. Let's scroll a bit down, and just under Sections, that's where we can add the View All button for Feature Blog, Feature Collection, and Collection List. For this example, let me change that from View All to Browse All. Browse All, and let's apply the same change to the Feature Collection and Collection List. Of course, this is just an example. You can always change the text to whatever you like. Now let me save the changes. Now make sure to allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to your website, try refreshing it. As you can see, the button text was updated in all three sections. Instead of View All, it now says Browse All. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.